Sorry about that, guys. The video ended for some reason, so we still got about 8 cars to go. Next up, we got the Land Rover Series 3 pickup. And I'm gonna quit this one, so that's pretty good. Another one with the white tires and like gray, like metallic and stuff, like a winter car. Really nice. Next up, we got a Toyota off-road truck. Another Christmas one. I think that's the last Christmas one. Next one's a New Year's one. So here it is in like gold. White tires again with the big tire on the back. And yeah, really nice carbonator. New Year's carbonator. This is like my 6th carbonator I've gotten. Here's right here. Like green and like maroonish color. So it's a really nice one. And now we got a Matchbox 5-pack. So, might take a while. This is technically the other half of how it was about 12. Oh my god, I'm destroying it. Alright, I guess I'll have to do it. So the first car we have is 2005 Ford GT. A red stripe, and yeah, really nice Matchbox car. Next up we have the Porsche Panamera 2010. I think this is 2010, so this is a really bright yellow, and it's really nice. Next up, we have the Aston Martin DBS Volante. Yep, Volante. Really nice one. I really like it. We have the 1969 BMW 2002 what? We have the 1969 BMW. For some reason it says 2002 with it as well. So here you go, that's that one. And the last one for the whole thing is the Land Rover 90. Police. Different language. There are all the cars. Some from the other video I uploaded. Smack the like button and subscribe. Goodbye.